And this is my Jeep, showing a few past projects completed on the Jeep. Thanks for watching. This was a good project and it went well. I replaced all the sensors and the engine ran much better. Should have bought a new radiator before this. Anyway, this repair did not work. I started the vehicle up and brought it up to temperature. It came up to temperature, I would estimate somewhere between 10 and 12 minutes. Checking connections. So far, so good. I shouldn't have been there though. In case I have a leak. The engine is running smooth. Everything seems to be great at this point. The power steering seems to be making some noise. I still have plans on replacing that steering unit. Okay, the temperature is starting to get up there. This high mileage Jeep seems to be running pretty good. Still holding. Yes, dummy, it is hot. Keeping an eye on it. And so far, I'm not seeing any leaks. I'm gonna go back in and check the current temperature. It's about there. Uh-oh, there she goes. My repair blew. Glad I wasn't standing over it when it did. Yes, after this I started looking at new aluminum radiators. I purchased a new aluminum radiator right away. I installed the new radiator later after the new timing chain. Please stop by for the next My Jeep update. Out for now.
Hey, Billy Bob, pull that Jeep around here. I'll work on it.